for the second configuration, which is a separate tandem inducer with a secondary impeller. The impeller is designed using the same procedure as for the first configuration, and so we can focus on the tandem inducer in this video. And in fact, we designed the tandem inducer in two steps. First the exducer section and then the inducer section. So let me start by opening the original inducer input that was exported from the midline code TD-pre. And then we can split the original meridional shape into an inducer and an exducer section and create two separate MRI files for this. Next, in the meridional editor, we first open the exducer MRI file. And then import it to replace the original meridional shape with the exducer. Then in the blade loading section, the leading edge RVT star needs to be modified based on the work split between the inducer and exducer sections. And in this way, keeping the rest of the settings the same as for the original inducer, the exducer geometry can be generated and visualized in a 3D plot. And finally, a 2D plot of the span-wise wrap angle at the leading edge can be created. And then this data can be exported, which will later be used for designing the inducer section. And now for the inducer section, just as for the exducer, I'll start by importing the original inducer input file that was exported from TD-pre. And this time in the meridional editor, we open the inducer MRI file. And then import it to replace the original meridional shape with the inducer. And then in the blade loading section, this time the trailing edge RVT star needs to be modified based on the work split between the inducer and exducer sections. And this is the same as what we specified at the exducer leading edge, which automatically ensures a good matching between the tandem inducer and the exducer sections. Next, an offset can be applied to the wrap angle that was exported from the exducer leading edge, and then this can be imported and specified at the inducer trailing edge like this. And in this way, the inducer geometry can be generated. And then its inlet total pressure can be recorded using a 2D plot of total pressure. And finally, we can return to the exducer section. And then apply the new total pressure at the inlet to generate the final exducer design. And then both the tandem sections can be visualized in a 3D plot like this. And a 2D plot can also be added, showing the surface static pressure on both the inducer and exducer sections. And then in the project manager window, we can check whether the minimum pressure occurs on the inducer or the exducer.